How to display number of people viewing your product page on Shopify store. So first of all, what you need to do is to simply click on the three dots and click on this edit code. Now you don't need to worry about, I have leave the link in the description below of this Google Docs file. So first of all, copy the name, and then what you need to do is to simply click on the add new snippet and name it live dash visitors. Now click on the done, and after that you just need to copy the code just like this and paste it just like that, and then click on the save on the top right corner. Now once you are done, now you just need to go for the section, and what you need to go for is main product dot liquid, and what you need to go for is simply search for price just like that. After searching for this, you just need to scroll all the way down until you see the option of inventory. Once you go for this, the other thing is block Shopify attributes. So this is where you need to add another code, which is going to be like this code. You can pause the video and simply type it. This is going to take few seconds, and then click on the save on the top right corner. Now if I click on the preview store on the top right and go for my products, let's go for this one as an example, and there you have it. 500 people are viewing right now. Now in order to change these numbers, what you need to do is to simply scroll down a little bit, and this is where you need to change the values, max visitors and minimum visitors. So you also need to keep in mind that this is not an actual number, this is just a number that you are creating on your own. So let's go for 20 and 60 just like that, and the delay going to be, let's say, 6 seconds. And then if I copy this code and paste it like right here and click on the save button, and now let's refresh my product page. As you can see, 58 people are viewing right now. So that's the way of how you can display the number of people viewing your product page on Shopify.